Which role do you play in the economy? Hi, it's Oliver with Anthroposophical Economics, where you can learn how the economy really works and how to make meaningful changes. Economists talk about actors and agents, the households, the firms, and the government. But I think those terms are not helpful, especially if we want to understand the fundamentals of the economy, and also if we want to rethink economics. We have to go back to the basics, and that's why the following 3 roles are so important. Number 1, the producer. The producer creates economic value. There are only 2 ways economic values are created, and you may want to watch my video about it. All products and many of the services that we have in the economy, they come from the first pathway, and that is that we have a natural product that is modified by human labor. Number 2, the consumer. The consumers, they use up the economic values that have been created by the producers. Most of the people are consumers and producers, but it's very important to know that in an economy we also have pure consumers. First of all, those are the children and the elderly and the ill. Number 3, the trader. The trader buys and then sells products and services. The obvious case for this is the merchant or the grocery store or supermarket owner. But also the entrepreneur and capitalist is in many cases a trader. The entrepreneur buys the products and services from his employees and then sells it to another entrepreneur or the consumer. Now that you know the 3 roles, you can try to assign the roles to everything that you see. A company, the government, or a branch of the government, and even to yourself. Okay, that's for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.